Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to delete wallpaper on iPhone, and here is how. Now that I have the Pro Max here, you should know that it works with all iPhone 15 models. To lock your screen, press the side key first, and then tap it to return to the lock screen by displaying Face ID. Now that your iPhone is unlocked, long press the lock screen to see it appear like that. You can then slide to see wallpapers you have previously produced, which will appear on the left and right depending on when you created them. This makes it easier to delete wallpaper. For example, if I swipe up and select delete this wallpaper, the wallpaper will be removed from both the home screen and the lock screen. You can repeat this process for any other wallpapers you wish to remove. Thus, to remove the wallpaper combination for the home screen and lock screen, simply swipe up and select the desired wallpaper. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.